So here is the end product. As you can see, I'm having it with my whole wheat bread and my tea. So let's taste test. First, I'm gonna take a little bit of this and some egg. Here's some egg. This is how it looks like. I love it. I love it. Hi guys, so today we are making shakshuka. So it's basically stewing this and then putting eggs in the middle. So here we have red onions, we have garlic, we have bell pepper, and we have two tomatoes. So we're gonna start the cooking and then we're gonna put eggs. So yeah, it's on, so we're gonna wait for it to get hot. So now our pan is hot, so we're gonna put some oil, just enough to fry the onions. Now we put our onions in. Then we're gonna wait for it to sweat. So now we're gonna put our garlic. And we're gonna let it cook for 2 minutes. Now it's good enough to put now our tomatoes and our bell pepper. Smelling so good already. So now we put our spices. So we're gonna put mixed herbs. I like herbs in everything. And then black pepper. As you know, black pepper tastes good with everything. And then we're gonna put a little bit of the tandoori masala. Ugh. I hate it when you have to keep on shaking it. And a little bit of turmeric. That's enough. I'm thinking we should try a little bit of this. Just a little. Then we mix it all up. So this is our breakfast. And I'm looking forward to having it. It looks amazing so far. Spread it out. Let me just add a little bit of salt. Because none of the spices had salt in them. And then we're gonna cover it and simmer till the tomatoes are well cooked. So you have to mash. I like mashing the tomatoes. Instead of having them cool. Like that. As you can see, it's very nice. So you spread it out again. And then you poke holes. I don't know how many eggs I want to flour. So you poke 4 holes and then you put your egg in that hole. It doesn't matter if it goes to the next place, you just want the yolk to sit there. And then this last step is very easy. You just cover and you let it cook slowly. Well, I have decided to divide it here. This is how it looks, and then you make sure to carry all the tomatoes that was surrounding the egg. So I made this for 2 people. This is how it looks like. It looks yummy. The next one is for Raymond. This is how it looks like. So here is the end product. As you can see, I'm having it with my whole wheat bread and my tea. So let's taste test. First, I'm gonna take a little bit of this and some egg. Here's some egg. This is how it looks like. I love it. I love it. I think I should be making it often. I haven't made it in a while, but yeah. Also, you can add tomato paste while you're making this if you wanted to. Yeah, thank you for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.